Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to prevent group members from sending you friend requests on Discord using your PC. With this new update, you can easily manage your privacy settings. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your PC and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the gear icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon will take you to your user settings. Click on it to open the settings menu. Next, in the left sidebar, scroll down until you find Friend Requests. Click on this option to see the settings related to friend requests. Now, here's the important step. You'll see an option labeled Enable Server Members. If this option is turned on, it means that members from the servers you belong to can send you friend requests. To prevent this, simply toggle it off. This will ensure that only users you specifically choose can send you friend requests, keeping your connections more private. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the ability for server members to send you friend requests on Discord. This feature gives you better control over your interactions and helps enhance your privacy. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Enjoy your time on Discord while staying connected on your own terms.